Critters, and welcome back to another video. In today's video it's a bit annoying because I just filmed a whole crystal jelly tutorial but it failed to record in some parts and it was too hard to record everything again. So I'm going to replace that tutorial that you deserve for a quick tutorial on butter slime, which is basically a really smooth spreadable slime, which I will show you an example of now. So this is one of my minion butter slimes that I made, and this is not the one that I posted a video on. And basically it's a really smooth, stretchy, spreadable slime that, by spreadable you can do that, and this one's yellow and it's supposed to resemble butter. So let's get on to the supplies you'll need. So the supplies you'll need are a bowl to mix in and something to mix with, some activator. I'm using the usual Lidl detergent, equal amounts of that mixed with water, equal amounts of water. Some water, I just keep mine in this bottle. Approximately 2 tablespoons of PVA glue, white or clear slime. And the main ingredient, clay. I got this light clay from Tiger. If you can translate that, go ahead. I think it just means light clay though. And it comes in a pack of 5 for £3. And it's basically this really light clay, but because Daisio, I don't know how you pronounce it, that sort of clay isn't available here in the UK unless you order it. So this is basically the only option that we have that is the best. And you can get Model Magic, but that's expensive, so I just go with this alternative. So let's get on to the mess. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of glue and 2 tablespoons of water. I added then some lotion and some strawberry scent. Then activate it as normal, but leave it slightly sticky as it will harden up with the clay. The next step is to add your clay, but you want your slime to be slightly sticky, as you can see, as I said, because the clay will harden up if it's quite tough. So you want to take a little bit of clay at a time and just rip it off. So I'm using this, and sorry if the lighting's bad, I'm filming this quite late at night. And then start just to knead that in until you get your desired texture. So here you can see that I'm just kneading in. It got really stiff, so I added loads of lotion and this sort of made it better. So once you've mixed in the clay that you want, and as much as you want, it should look like this. Mine was slightly stiff and still is, so I'll continue to add lotion and then it will be the right texture for me. But now for some ASMR. So I hope you liked this quick tutorial on how to make butter slime. It was really fun to film considering that the last one had failed to record. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're living in a slime life just like me. Bye!